This is why you need a magical carrot on hand. Our hero, Pastor Cebolinha, is wandering through a forest lit only by moonlight. Essa floresta tá meio assombrada, he mutters, clutching his trusty carrot. Suddenly, a headless mule, the legendary mula sem cabeça, dashes by, fire blasting from its nostrils. But Pastor Cebolinha, not scared, curious, he follows the mule, noticing its dark, eerie aura. Tadinha, parece angustiada. He whips out a golden, magical carrot and starts an improvised prayer, mixing up his words in classic Cebolinha style. Oh, espírito da floresta, eu te purifico dessa maldição. The carrot glows, creating a beam of light that surrounds the mule. The dark aura dissolves, revealing a beautiful woman with long, shiny hair. She smiles and says, Obrigada, pequeno guerreiro. Você quebrou o feitiço que me prendia há séculos. Cebolinha, puffed with pride, responds, Imagino, com minha força e fé, nenhum mal pode plesisti-lo. The woman, now free, mounts the peaceful mule. She kisses Cebolinha's forehead, leaving him a bit flustered. As the forest calms and night creatures reappear, Cebolinha looks at the camera and says, Essa foi mais uma missão cumprida pela justiça vegetal. Fade to black with the message. Até a próxima aventura.